Hi everyone, here is a quick video to show you how to update the DJI Mini 3 Pro firmware and batteries to the latest version. We will also update the DJI RC. First, turn on your drone and RC. Press the back button and click Profile. Press Settings and click Check for firmware updates. Click Update. This screen will show you what the latest firmware version is and what the updates are. If you are happy, click Update again. This part can take some time. To prevent your drone from overheating during this process, I suggest using a fan to keep it cool. The battery lights will blink throughout the update process, indicating that the firmware is being updated. It will also restart. This is normal. The drone will then turn off during the update process. Again, this is normal. Finally, the RC will restart and initialize the update. We are now going to update each battery. Turn on the drone. Wait for the drone lights to blink green. Check for firmware updates. This battery is fine. Shut down the drone and replace the drone battery. Follow the update process again. You can see that this battery needs updating. Click Update. Do this for each battery you own. Thanks for watching.